everyone, my name is Theresa and welcome to our channel. It is a very early morning, it is raining, it's a Saturday, and I'm gonna get a chance to do one of my favorite things is cake decorating. Our very first step is going to be making our cake. This is our rich vanilla cake that we used for years when we were at our bakery over in Texas. It has the best sweet vanilla flavor and you can smell it permeating throughout the house. You're going to see the recipe linked below in the description box and it's available on our website. But as in any cake batter recipe, the first thing that you're gonna do is cream your sugar and your butter. Make sure that butter is nice and soft at room temperature, unsalted, so that it comes together easily. In this recipe, you will see that we are using egg whites, not whole eggs. It gives a little bit more of a sugary flavor, a more lightness to your cake batter. So while that is mixing itself, our second step is going to be creating our blueberry compote. Blueberry compote, you can do this with any fresh fruit. You take fresh fruit, water, a little sugar, fresh lemon juice, and let that simmer on top of a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're gonna start seeing it form together and create this delicious jelly so that we can use it in the middle of our cake layers. And you're gonna see in this triple action shot that we actually add Fruity Pebbles to both the vanilla cake and our blueberry compote. Our third step is going to be coloring our icing. This is our vanilla buttercream. It's delicious. It's very addicting, whereas I am known to just sneak a little bite every once in a while. You're gonna want to create at least 4 different colors because we are going to be doing a method that you might have seen on our channel before where you pipe 4 different colors into a plastic wrap, and you're gonna fold that plastic wrap up and then put it in a pastry bag with a star tip, and you're gonna be able to see a gorgeous topper for your cake. You can choose any colors that you want. We chose a Mirror color, which is gel. It really produces vibrant, eye-catching colors, and we chose colors that replicated Fruity Pebbles. Please comment below if you enjoyed this triple action experience on our channel. We're hoping it's kind of reminiscent of Kitchen Stadium if anyone watches Food Network. So here we go. We're going to be decorating this Valentine's Day collaboration cake next and introducing the channels that are participating. We're gonna be using a non-slip little holder, kind of like the things that you open up a can with. I like to put that on the bottom of my cake board. I am so excited. So if you don't know what Fruity Pebbles are, maybe you're from out of the country, Fruity Pebbles is a childhood favorite cereal. Has all of these great flavors and beautiful colors, and I thought what better way to celebrate Valentine's Day but with a lot of color and a lot of flavor. So we're going to be doing this cake alongside a number of other channels. Topping up the other channels that are in this collaboration with us, definitely please get a chance to check out the playlist that we're gonna link below in the description box, and it'll be on a little info card at the top side of my screen towards the end of this video. We are going to be layering our Fruity Pebbles cakes. I'm gonna be using a different color in each layer. The next thing that we're gonna be using is that blueberry Fruity Pebbles compote that we made together. And here we go. are going to be taking the cake out of the refrigerator. It's been about 30 minutes, and we're going to do our final coat of white vanilla buttercream, make it as smooth as a surface as possible, and then put it in the freezer for no fewer than 2 hours, make that real hard, and then we're going to be doing the mirror glaze. Yes, we are gonna be trying that. I'm so excited. Hopefully it turns out okay. Now to the final touches of our cake. We have some cherries that I've washed, and we have our blueberry Fruity Pebbles compote that I added a touch of water, and I warmed it up in the microwave for 20 seconds. And what that's doing is it's just coating the outside of the cherry, and then I'm going to dip it in sparkly edible pink glitter. We're gonna top it on our cake. So now we have our beautiful cherries, and we're just gonna put each one at the top of the cake. There we go. So pretty. Look at that. I am so proud of this cake. I'm so excited. It is sparkly, it is colorful, it is everything that I hoped it would be. I really hope that you enjoyed taking this journey on a Valentine's Day collaboration with our channel and all of the other ones, which I'm going to pop up here. Definitely go and visit each one of their cakes as well. I am sure you will be wowed, as you can see on their pictures, tempting you to go to their channels. Great partners of ours. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, check us out, and in the words of Fruity Pebbles, yabba dabba doo. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.